with Salesforce. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect Jira with the Salesforce. So guys, for this guys, first of all, choosing your integration path. So before starting and deciding the best integration method you need, so first of all evaluate the direct app marketplace connector and consider the third party IPaaS solutions like Zapper and Workoto. Accessing the custom API document, factor in budget, complexity and the maintenance effort. Okay, then guys, preparing the Jira for the connection. First of all, you log in your Jira instance as an administrator, navigate to the Jira setting and create a dedicated integration user with appropriate permissions. Generate an API token for the secure authentication. Note your Jira cold URL. Note your Jira cloud URL for the later configuration. Step 3, configuring the Salesforce for the connection. So guys, prepare your Salesforce for the external system integration. First of all, access your Salesforce org as a system administrator, then set up and search for the permission sets. Create a new permission set for the integration user and grant API and enabled and access necessary subject permissions. Create a dedicated integration users in the Salesforce. Generate a security token for the API access if IP range are restricted. Then guys, stabilizing the connection. So connection the two platform using your chosen integration method. Install the chosen integration app for the Jira. Then open the integration configuration interface and provide your Salesforce integration user credentials. Then guys, authorize the connection between the Jira and the Salesforce and verify the connection status shows as connected or the active. Defining the data mapping and the sync rule. So guys, map Jira issues field to corresponding Salesforce fields. Then set up filter for the specific project or the record synchronization. Enable the automatic sync schedule for triggered. Review all mapping configuration thoroughly. After that, testing and monitoring youth integration. Create a test issues in the Jira and check for the Salesforce's creations. Monitor the integration log for any error or the failure. Adjust mapping in the rule based on the test rule. Conduct the user acceptance testing with the key stakeholder. Set up alert for the integration health and the performance.